Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. First, let me start with Kwara State. Court-remanded Islamic cleric, pond repairer, farmer, and two others over murder of female student in Kwara State. Now, Borno State, 22 penitent Boko Haram terrorists transferred to Borno Psychiatric Hospital for further care. Now move to Taraba State. Deputy Governor of Taraba State, Aminu Alkali, has been absent for over 3 months due to health challenge, with the government silence on his whereabouts. Citizens are urging Governor Kepas to clarify the condition. Now move to Kogi State. Student protests in Federal University Lokoja. Over 7 students crushed to death by truck. Now politics. Former Vice President of Nigeria Alhaji Atiku Abubakar says Tinubu's APC regime power-drunk bent on destroying Nigeria. Now move to Kebbi State. The Minister of Budget, Senator Atiku Bagudu, donated 450 million naira to 225 political wards in Kebbi State. Now Benue State. The Benue State House of Assembly has suspended 13 members from their legislative duties for engaging in inappropriate conduct. Still in politics, sacking local government elected chairman is treason, Attorney General of the Federation warns Nigerian governors. Now move to insecurity. Suspected armed herdsmen invaded Benue Community and massacre over 20 residents near Army base in Benue State. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. For more updates, don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channels, like, comment, and share. Now move to Abuja. Kidnappers killed 2 people in their captivities over a delay in the payment of ransom in Gwargwada Kuje Area Council of the FCT. Now move to Katsina State. Security forces have arrested Ilu Dammatawale, a suspected bandit informant in Bakori local government area of Katsina State on Tuesday. Still on insecurity, group calls for a new effort to free Leah Sheribu, abducted in Yobe State by Boko Haram terrorists. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can also follow us in Facebook and X. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.